after the other? How do you feel being the winner of this
Just happy and humble, filled with gratitude, happy and
and you learn so many things, your emotions, anger, fear, and so many things. So what have you learned and how have you learned to control all these?
I think it just happened with experience of life and maybe the age I'm in. I'm happy I came at this time where I could have a control on my feelings. So I'm happy for this journey, which let me know, which made me realize that I can control my emotions.
Okay, so how do you look hereafter? अभी आप यहाँ से जाओगे तो you must be having you remember all of us asked you जब आप वहाँ से जीत के आए कि बिग बॉस में आपका एंट्री, you said you have to wait and watch. So now what do we have to wait and watch?
अब तो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर अनदर शो दैट कलर्स जिसमें ट्रॉफी जीतनी है, हैट्रिक करनी है ना मेरे को.
That's it, that's so nice. So if given a chance, to get a reality show or a fictional show or a film, क्या choose करोगे?
मैम डिपेंड करेगा, मेरे को काम अच्छा करना है अच्छे लोगों के साथ. सो whoever's ऑफरिंग मी समथिंग व्हिच एक्साइट्स मी, आई विल डेफिनेटली.
After this show, you have risen to heights, and you must have had so much of struggle. So what message would you like to give to the audiences and the fans and all those who get attracted to glitz and glamour? कि इतना आसान नहीं है.
अब बिल्कुल आसान कुछ भी नहीं है, बट what always drove me and the drive in me was that I wanted to just be a performer and enjoy whatever little, small, big I was doing. It was never that I was running after some big car, fame. These were all byproducts. And मैं ट्रॉफी के लिए भी बोलूँगा, आप ज़िंदगी जी लो बिग बॉस के घर में, कल का भरोसा नहीं है. और एक बार सार समझ जाओ फिर ट्रॉफी कुछ नहीं है. So that's always you run for
करने
the
क्या
main
वाले
thing.
हो, करने क्या वाले हो? The amount, that booty you have going to.
मैम आई हैव ऑल्सो वन समथिंग इन खतरों, वो भी मिला नहीं है, अभी साथ में मिलेगा. बट मेरे स्टाफ के कुछ बच्चे हैं हुआ जिनको मैं फ़ंड करता हूँ एजुकेशन. दे आर वांटिंग टू गो स्टडी इवन फर्दर. तो मैं जितना हो सकेगा उनको हेल्प करने के, आई वांट देम टू स्टडी मोर, जिनको उनके पेरेंट्स फंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Very nice. So would you like to open your own NGO? And are you going to educate girls or it is going to,
उनके
to
दो,
educate?
जिनकी हैं 2 बेटियां हैं, वन चाइल्ड, एंड उसके आगे दो लड़के और हैं. So there were 5-6 kids who I'm funding their education.
So nice of it, They, we are social animals. So even during the press meet, there are times, you don't like certain questions, and there has been so much of hue and cry. You have what the media do is this repeated question. So, but we are sure that nobody can buy it.
Of
It
course.
is very genuine. What do you have to say about it?
This is very stupid and very childish of people to think that I can buy the media. If I could buy the media of the country, तो मैं चैनल खुद का खरीद लेता और खुद बिग बॉस चलाता और खुद ट्रॉफी लेता. And having said that, I've also heard that there are some stupid people sending stupid messages to media persons, especially women media people. So I would just warn them and threat them right now to stop doing it before you get into trouble, because once the law comes in, you will probably just be behind bars and get yourself in trouble. So stop it right away. And if you don't like me, but stop sending these stupid messages to the media people.
Okay, very good message. But are you a feminist? What is feminism to you?
यार I've been brought up by all women.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो फेमिनिज्म तो आई थिंक खून में ही है मेरे. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, मैं 2 डिवोर्स कर चुका हूँ, तो वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. बट you can call me a feminist, sure. I wouldn't mind that.
Okay, so hereafter, where are you going to keep this lovely baby? जो बहुतों का सपना होगा. It must be a dream. Such a wonderful, beautiful. Which place have you sorted in the house? Which corner?
Right next to the खतरों का trophy, and I let them talk.
So sweet. So which corner will you be choosing?
कॉर्नर तो निकल गया हूँ ना बाहर, अब सब सेंटर में होगा मेरे साथ.
Okay, before you part, what message would you like
Thank
to
you
give
so much.
to the participants? And
To the participants, they were all very good, very strong, but it has given me immense pleasure to have beaten them all to this.
yes, and lastly, you know, you have a very good friend. What is friendship to you? Chomu is a very good friend of yours.
Yeah.
What is friendship to you? You're a, you know, a friend in need is a friend in
Correct,
need.
exactly.
It can be a platonic friendship also.
Ji.
So, will you be taking this friendship out of the house? How are you going to?
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है तो पहला तो आपने आंसर दे दिया फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन नीड शी इज
Yeah.
ऑलवेज बीन देयर
Yeah.
इन माय नीड
Yeah.
एंड होपफुली वी सभी एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू कैरी द फ्रेंडशिप आउट तो एक्टिंग थोड़ा ना कर रहे थे हम जी रहे थे वो अब बाहर की ज़िंदगी में क्या अलग चैलेंजेस आएंगे वी शुड बी एबल टू ओवरकम दैट ऑल्सो एंड देन वी आर फ्रेंड्स फॉर लाइफ
Okay. All the best. God bless you.
Thank you.
One click.